I've been going through kind of a rough patch with a couple things in my life over the past week or so. There's been some life-changing circumstances that have gone on around me and some of the people that I have become or have been attached to that seem to be for the best, for the better, but some things seem, I'm not sure what God's plan is at any given moment. So I prayed pretty heavily. I set some intentions out there, and I asked truth some questions. I wanted to know if I could have some sort of sign if I'm on the right path, or if my judgment is correct. If I wanted a verification that I was making the right calls. And then about 2 hours later, this happened.
Check out this guy. He's just hanging out by my trailer. He doesn't want to fly away. Or he can't fly away. And he's just chilling. He trusts me. And he just won't move. Oh, well, doesn't want to be grabbed. Why don't you go in the shade, mister? Hi. He's just hanging out over here. Doesn't want to move. Not sure what he's doing, but he seems very wise. And I love him. Alright, guys. See you later, little buddy. What was that? Was that the universe responding to my desire? Was that... Well, I think it was a coincidence. Definitely a coincidence, because I asked for something and then something happened. And a lot of coincidences in my life. What's a coincidence to me? Well, I understand what it means. It means two incidences that happen together. So no debating or arguing that it was a coincidence or not. So for my atheist friends, yeah, you're right, it was a coincidence. But was that coincidence divinely inspired? And I feel like yes, it was. It meant a lot to me that bird did that. I've never had a bird do that. I live in trees. I'm always around birds. I've definitely been very near them. I've pet them in their nests. They say not to touch them, but nothing bad happens. I think it's all about your vibration. If you have a vibration of love, and you're empathetic, and you're compassionate, and you don't want to harm or kill, then they respect you. I have the same experience with bees, wasps, hornets. I've had them swarm me all over and just stayed in a place of higher consciousness, of love, compassion, understanding. It happens to me on a daily basis, so you people are like, this guy's just crazy. No, I'm not. I actually practice what I preach. I trim trees for a living, and I'm around insects and beasts and flying things all the time. So take it from somebody who actually tests this stuff out. Your vibration has everything to do with everything that you are. And I know that. Don't believe me? Go try it out yourself. It can be a little scary. You're like, so just be happy and the bear won't eat me, Adam? There's a little more to it than that. But you got the gist of it, yeah. Peace.